Charlie Kirk, the co-founder of Turning Point USA and an ally of President Donald Trump, was fatally shot Wednesday at an event at Utah Valley University. A manhunt is underway for the shooter, who is believed to have fired once from a nearby roof in a targeted attack, according to the Utah Department of Public Safety, which is leading the investigation along with the FBI. Trump expressed his grief and anger about the killing and blamed rhetoric from the radical left in a direct-to-camera video from the Oval Office. Kirk, 31, was an influential young voice in the MAGA universe, known for his regular appearances on conservative media and debates on college campuses. Today marks 24 years since the terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001, which killed nearly 30 people in New York City, Washington, D.C., and near Shanksville, Pennsylvania. The attacks remain the deadliest on American soil. People across the country will pause today to honor the victims and reflect on the courage and sacrifice that followed. President Trump is scheduled to attend a memorial service at the Pentagon. At least 2 students were injured Wednesday in a shooting at Evergreen High School near Denver, Colorado. The gunman, a male student, opened fire on campus, prompting more than 100 law enforcement officers to respond. Authorities engaged with the shooter within 5 minutes of the first 911 call. He later died from a self-inflicted gunshot wound. This incident marks the 47th school shooting in the U.S. this year. More than 300 South Korean workers, detained by U.S. immigration authorities in Georgia last week, will be repatriated today. They were taken into custody during a sweeping ICE raid at Hyundai's battery plant in Elabel, about 25 miles west of Savannah. The workers will fly out of Atlanta and are expected to arrive in South Korea on Friday. Images of the workers restrained with long chains have sparked outrage in South Korea, a U.S. ally that recently pledged major investments in the American economy. At least 4 people were killed and 90 others injured when a gas truck exploded in Mexico City on Wednesday. The tanker truck, carrying nearly 50 liters of gas, overturned on a highway in the Puente de la Concordia area before exploding. The blast sent out a shock wave that damaged 32 nearby vehicles. Authorities are investigating the cause and reviewing the condition of the driver.